It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rearview mirror, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, doors and push button start proximity key, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.